Have you ever dreamed of stepping into a real-life fairy tale? High in the Bavarian Alps, surrounded by misty forests and rolling hills, stands Neuschwanstein Castle, a masterpiece so enchanting it inspired Disney's iconic castles. This is not just a building, it's a dream carved in stone, a glimpse into a king's imagination frozen in time. From above, Neuschwanstein Castle looks like something out of a fantasy novel. Its white towers rising through the clouds, perched dramatically on a rugged hilltop overlooking the Hohenschwangau Valley. Built in the late 19th century by King Ludwig II of Bavaria, this fairy tale fortress was designed not for defense, but for dreams. King Ludwig, often called the Mad King, envisioned Neuschwanstein as a personal escape, a place where art, myths, and music could come alive. Inspired by the operas of Richard Wagner, he imagined a world of knights, legends, and medieval romance. Every room inside reflects this vision, from golden murals depicting heroic tales to ornate chambers filled with rich woodwork and chandeliers that glitter like starlight.
As the drone glides over its turrets, you can see how the castle blends perfectly with nature. Framed by dark pine forests, the shimmering Alpsea lake, and the snow-capped Alps beyond. The contrast between stone and sky is breathtaking. In every direction, the landscape feels untouched, timeless, and almost unreal. Today, Neuschwanstein is one of the most visited castles in the world, drawing millions who come to witness its magic. Yet, despite its fame, it still feels peaceful, especially at sunrise, when golden light touches its towers, or at dusk, when the castle glows softly against the twilight. From every angle, Neuschwanstein whispers stories of imagination, solitude, and the eternal search for beauty, a monument to one man's dream that became the world's fairy tale.
Neuschwanstein Castle is more than stone and spires. It's a dream that defied reality, standing tall amid the clouds of Bavaria. Whether you see it from the valley below or through the eyes of a drone, it captures the heart like no other. If this journey inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more breathtaking views.